Welcome to the Bob and Tam Show. We want to welcome all the Pating Nation to come along today and see our highlight video of Sturgis. Gonna see a whole lot of flashing coming up here. Well, not that kind of flashing, but maybe that kind of flashing. Yeah, that's it. Pictures. So yeah, we're actually standing out front of Greenmount Harley Davidson, actually in O'Fallon, Illinois. If you've ever checked that out, we've been over here a couple times. Maybe a year or so ago, we might have put a video up. Then again, maybe I didn't. Don't know if we'll shoot anything here or not, but go ahead, let's take a look at our highlight video and let us know what you think about the Sturgis Rally 2021.
But the neat thing about this place is it used to be called Freeze Harley Davidson, which was on Belleville on South Illinois Street. They moved it out here and then somebody else bought it, but Freeze was been around since like the 30s. So it's another old dealership, but somebody new bought it. So don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell, and think about Patreon.
And I believe most of the building here is green, not painted green.
Yeah.
Like solar panels and all that kind of stuff.
The whole building is supposed to be green.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll go inside. If there's anything to show you, we'll show you at the end. If not, we'll come back and leave you with what you thought about our highlight. Let's go. hopefully you liked our wrap up of 2021 Sturgis, the 81st. It's pretty exciting. It was actually overwhelming for us.
That's a lot to do.
So we got a few more videos that we may throw up. One over there at the Sturgis Brew House. It's right over there off of Junction and right there at the 90. That's actually part of the Knuckle. We actually went in there and got to talk to Brian, which is one of the owners, and actually got to talk to the brewmeister. So that'd be kind of neat. We'll try to get that video up, and we have a couple other things that we did not get around to showing you. So we'll try to stick those couple ones up next. We got a couple more videos coming up. We got one for our Patreons, let you know a little bit more about us. We're going to show you our life here in Belleville, that we live most of our life. Going to show you some of the places and things. That'll be coming up on Patreon this week, so you might want to check that out. We don't know. After this, we're going to be heading over to Blue Springs over in Bourbon, Missouri. So we're going to be checking that out. That's a campground. I don't know if we're going to have any internet there. After that, we're going to go out to Owensville. We're going to spend a week out there before we head over to the
Lake of the Ozarks
Bike Fest. So we don't know what kind of internet we're going to have, so we're going to do our very best to get all the information out to you guys. Try to still do some Sunday lives if that's all possible. So we'll see what happens in the near future.
So thanks for coming along today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Think about Patreon. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next video.
And see you in a day or so.
Bye.